5 Best Portable Generators. Number 5. The Champion 46539. Plus built-in cold start technology. Convenience like never before. Trust the reliable 196 cubic centimeters Champion engine. Includes 3-year limited warranty. Easy starts in cold weather. Free lifetime technical support. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. The Duramax XP 4400E. 3500 watt continuous. 4-gallon gas tank. Automatic low oil shut-off. Air-cooled 7 HP OHV engine. Item weight, 120 pounds. Electric start provides 3500 watts. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. The WEN 56352. Low oil shutdown and overload protection. 11-hour runtime at half load. Digital readout helps manage oil changes. Foldable handles for easy transport. Item weight, 103.3 pounds. 212 cubic centimeters. Engine provides 3500 surge watts. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. The Yamaha F2000 ISV2. Powerful, portable, and efficient. 2000 watt maximum AC output. Improves fuel economy and reduces noise. .5 hours continuously without refueling. Up to 2000 watts of clean AC power. Premium technologies to maximize fuel efficiency. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. The Durostar DS4000S. 4-point fully isolated motor mounts. Smooth and quiet operation. Full power panel with oil warning light. For 1000 watt surge. 8-hour runtime. Circuit breaker and power outlets. Please check the description for detail and price.